هل تصبح الشوكولا الصرعة المقبلة في عالم الجمال؟ قطعة الشوكولا التي تعد بتحويل البشرة الخمسينية إلى عشرينية ستخرج من مختبرات جامعة كامبريدج العريقة قريبا لتستقر على أرفف بعض المتاجر الأنيقة. وللمزيد ينضم إلي من لندن الدكتور إيفان بيتايف صاحب تركيبة شوكولا كامبريدج للجمال ومؤسس شركة لايكوتك للتكنولوجيا الحيوية. بروفيسور، بداية علميا ما هي المكونات التي تمنح هذه الشوكولا القدرة على تجميل البشرة؟
This is a blend of two most recognized, most powerful ingredients which can help control process of damage, oxidation, inflammation. It's cacao polyphenols and astaxanthin. Astaxanthin, it's a pigment, it's marine pigment, it's come from marine origin, it's from actually planktons, and all marine species would have in their body this ingredient. For example, it's give a color to salmon, you know, the pink salmon. I'd also give color to flamingo, because flamingo eat shrimps or some fish and develop this color. And the goldfish is gold because of this pigment. It means it's most abundant pigment from the marine of marine origin. It means this is we have two powerful ingredients in one chocolate. But it's not just ingredients give the power of the properties to the chocolate. It's a technology. It's a bunch of technologies, one small piece of this our chocolate. The technology allows miniaturization. Essentially, if you have an old big computer and they compare with a smartphone, this is what we do, because this is miniaturization, this is technology we develop in Cambridge.
هل استطعتم عبر التجارب الإكلينيكية من قياس التأثير الحقيقي على البشرة؟
Yes, these ingredients have a very good medical background. There is 1,000 publications about health benefit of flavanols, cacao flavanols, and astaxanthin. But when we developed this product, very compact, small, miniaturized version, of course, we did clinical trials to validate that this activity is still there, and actually it's performing as we expected. And even more, this small piece of chocolate allow us to do more clinical trials than anybody else could do before, because it's very high compliance, very convenient for the people, volunteers, to take it on a daily basis rather than have 100 grams of chocolate bar or 300 grams of salmon, for example. Yes, we've done a study, and the focus on the people are kind of on a middle-aged people, men and women, 50, 60 years old, who already have developed markers of this we call subclinical inflammation, subclinical oxidation, which is basically responsible, associated with aging of us. Although these markers appears from 20 years old and go through all our life, but with the age we build them up. But we focus on this group, and we don't just assess changes in the blood, but more importantly, in clinical studies we measure the critical physiological parameter, skin and subcutaneous tissue, basically skin foundation, oxygenation, because without oxygens, no cells in our body can produce collagen, cannot make membranes, and so on. It means we measure improvement or changes in oxygenation of the tissue. And this is what our design of our studies was.
هل ثمة من لا تصلح له هذه الشوكولا؟
What in our studies we included clinically healthy people. They are not young, but they're clinically healthy. But they already have these changes in their body, not just appearance, but in their blood and their skin physiology. And we have statistically significant improvement in these parameters. And this is what I'm saying. We reduce them to the level usually people 20, 30 years old would have it, but this is 50, 60 years old people. It means we improve their blood, we improve the oxygenation. In terms of benefit for other functions of the body, yes, we do study. We develop products, we develop chocolates for other functionalities of the body, how we can maintain, how we can control and help to function. But this particular chocolate is developed to control skin physiology and skin aging processes. It means we only focus on these parameters associated with this.
ما هي الكمية المطلوب تناولها يوميا للاستفادة؟
Yeah, this is a size. It's 7.5 gram of chocolate. That's what we use in our studies. It is sufficient enough. You see, it's pretty compact. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know. It's a
Yes,
good camera
it's very
anyway.
clear.
But this is once a day. Once a day. But okay, you can overdose it. But but there are no harm because it's chocolate. It's not pharmaceutical. But this is sufficient enough to have with your coffee, with your meal. And this is what we did. You need to only be aware that, like any dark chocolate, it would contain caffeine. And some people sensitive to caffeine, and they don't want to take in the evening because they want to relax. But some people who can take it, they can in the evening. But usually we recommend our people to take it with a day meal or coffee or whatever, like when people usually would have coffee. But otherwise, this is once a day. And you need to build up the benefit in the body. It takes about 3 weeks start to see changes, register changes in your blood and in your skin. And yeah, but then obviously you need to maintain it, because if you put these processes under control, you need to keep it doing this.
Yes.
And this is because we're not getting younger, we're getting older.
Yes.
And to basically not allow these processes to take over. This is what you need to keep under control.
بروفيسور، متى سيتوفر هذا المنتج وأين؟
Okay, in about 3 weeks' time, we doing like in 3 territories in Europe, simultaneous kind of presentation launch. It will be in some Central European countries and in Scandinavia, and we have some kind of sales will be in UK as well through beauty salons and spa, because we want to present this product through the outlets which give the health benefit, through dermatologists who explain the benefit of our product. We're not creating new food, it's a health management product. And this is what message need to be delivered, people who want to buy this product. It means product would be available in a beauty salon and spa in Europe, some European countries, and in beauty salons and spas. But in UK, not just beauty salons, we have one of the most prestigious, probably in the world, retailer in this country, which would be product available through these outlets. But moreover, we're going to build up and launch about the same time worldwide e-commerce. It means it will be available for any person on the planet who will have access to internet to purchase directly from us.
بروفيسور، ما ثمن هذه القطعة التي أريتني إياها؟
It would probably vary from territory to territory. In Europe, it's around 35. In European countries, 35 euros, but in UK, about 35 pounds. Yeah, for the box, not for the piece. This would be box, Estochoc. It is 21 pieces. It's 3 weeks. And this would be available, yeah, it's a price about 35 pounds. This is why we want to do e-commerce, because there will be not many kind of middle kind of, different distributors who take the cut if we want consumers to have the best price.
الدكتور إيفان بيتايف، صاحب تركيبة شوكولا كامبريدج للجمال ومؤسس شركة لايكوتك للتكنولوجيا الحيوية من لندن، شكرا جزيلا لك.